The final step in our build process for our cornhole boards is to apply 5 coats of clear polyurethane. The polyurethane that we've chosen to use in our shop is a floor grade polyurethane, so it's supposed to be used for floors, but we use it on the boards themselves because it's highly durable and will last a long time. We set out each board and we go around and eliminate any debris, any dust, anything that has accumulated on the board since we put them together. Finally, we will strain the polyurethane into our HVLP sprayer. We use Fuji sprays in our shop, and we'll go around and spray the frame, we'll spray the deck, and we'll spray the underside with 5 coats of clear polyurethane. Every board that leaves our shop has 5 coats of this durable polyurethane, and when we spray it with the Fuji spray, we both spray it in horizontal and we spray it vertical, and we make sure every surface of the board is covered. The legs are covered, the frame is covered, the hull itself is covered, and that way we want to ensure that you get a nice quality board that's been sealed up properly and will last you a long time.